Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can build in Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can build in Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. Building in Fortnite on the PlayStation 5 is a key skill that can give you a significant advantage in battles. So right now we're going to see how you can build in Fortnite. So the basic controls of for building, firstly is entering the build mode. Press the circle button to enter the build mode. Select building pieces. Use the following buttons to select different building pieces. If you want to build a wall, press the R2 button. If you want to build a floor, press the R1 button. For stairs, you need to press L2, and for roof, you need to press L1. Place building pieces. Aim at the location where you want to place the building piece and press the corresponding button R2, R1, L2, or L1. Advanced building techniques. So as you can see guys, there is a lot of building techniques. There is the turbo building. Ensure that turbo building is enabled in a game settings. This allows you to hold down the build button to continuously place pieces. Go to settings, game tab, turbo building, and turn it on. For quick builds, 90-degree turn, a quick way to gain height, build a wall, jump, and place a floor and stairs repeatedly. Box build, surround yourself with 4 walls and a roof for quick protection. Ramp rush, place stairs with walls underneath for support while pushing forward. And lastly, edit mode, to modify a placed building piece, press and hold the circle button to enter edit mode. Select the square you want to edit and confirm the edit by pressing the circle button again. Customizing your controls. So you can also customize your keybinds. You can, for example, change where you want to put your building pieces and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.